Okay, transformations. To state the transformations. Remember, x is backwards and y is normal. X is inside is backwards, y is outside is normal. So basically, if I am inside the parentheses, no. If I'm inside here, all of this stuff is backwards, and it goes left and right. All the outside stuff is normal, and it goes up and down. Alright? That's pretty much what's going on. And you got shifts, stretches, and compressions, and reflections. So here we go. Number one, I'm multiplying the outside, so that is a stretch. It's going up and down. So you got to tell me what it is, directions, and how far. So it's a stretch. The direction is vertical by 2. Okay. We're subtracting 4 from the inside. So if you're adding or subtracting, that's a shift. And remember, the direction is left or right, but it's not going left, it's going to the right, because everything inside is backwards. Shift right, 4. And that's it. Number 47. Again, what type it is, you need the type, the direction, and how far. So, this out front, your A value is negative 1/3. Okay, so that's actually 2. Because remember, if you're multiplying by negative, you are reflecting, so it's a reflection across. And if I'm going up or down, I'm going to cross the x-axis. Yes, I'm moving in the y direction, but I'm going across the x-axis. It is because if you multiply by 1/3, you're getting smaller, so it is a shrink. The direction is up and down, so that's vertical by 1/3. And last but not least, you get a negative 8 on the outside, so that's also up and down. So that's a shift. It goes the direction I think it would, so down 8. Last but not least, 48. You've got your B value is negative 3, so that's going left and right. And then you got this out here, that's your K value, equals 4. Okay, so if my B value is negative 3, that is a reflection across AC ROSS, the y-axis. Because if you're going left and right, you're crossing the y, and it's a horizontal. And again, you multiply by 3, you think bigger, but it's actually getting smaller. Shrink by 3, and then it's a shift. This one, if you're adding, it's a shift. If we're adding outside, we're going up 4. And those are your transformations.